If you are unable to reach us on terrestrial, you can stream this particular broadcast on our website, that is www.tv47.digital, as well as on YouTube at TV47 Kenya. Speak to us, give us your comments, questions, and or suggestions in regards to our broadcast on our socials, that is on X at TV47 Kenya, TV47 News on X, TV47 Kenya on Facebook, as well as on TV47 KE on Instagram and on TikTok. And we begin by High Court Judge Lawrence Mugambi has sentenced Acting Inspector General of Police Gilbert Masengeli to 6 months imprisonment for contempt of court. This is after Masengeli snubbed court summons for 7 consecutive times. Justice Mugambi directed that Masengeli avail himself to the Commissioner General of Prisons to ensure that he is committed to a prison facility to begin serving his sentence. Failure to submit himself to the Commissioner General of Prisons, the court directed that the Cabinet Secretary for Interior to enforce the order. However, the court could waive the sentence if Masengeli presents himself before it within the next 7 days.
Contempt, Mr. Gilbert Masengeli is sentenced to 6 months imprisonment. Mr. Masengeli is ordered to submit himself to the Commissioner General of Kenya Prisons to ensure that he is to be committed to a prison facility to commence serving sentence of the imprisonment imposed. In the event that he does not submit himself to the Commissioner General of Prison Service as ordered, the Cabinet Secretary for the National Interior must take all steps that are necessary and permissible in law to ensure Mr. Gilbert Masengeli is committed to prison to commence serving the sentence imposed on him. The court nevertheless finds it desirable to impose this sentence as a coercive order as opposed to a punitive order. In that regard, Mr. Masengeli may avoid serving this sentence, and therefore, in that regard, the court shall suspend this sentence for 7 days only. The Acting Inspector General of Police can redeem himself and comply by availing himself before this court in person to answer to the issues he has been avoiding. In default, the sentence shall automatically become effective.